Hi guys, thank you for coming to Bay Area Speech and NLP Meetup. And all the previous meetup, the sessions, the recordings are kept at Olewave at YouTube. Well, today we're going to be continuing our tutorial on how to go from OpenAI Whisper to your own in-house ASR service. In the past, we have go over these sessions, overview, ROI, long audio and streaming, post-processing and language modeling, accurate timestamps. Today, we're going to focus on how to correctly recognizing key terms, which are name entities and domain-specific terms. Name entities include proper nouns. Proper nouns include people names and locations and organizations. It also includes dates and times, brands, runners, historical events, etc. Usually, the proper nouns are capitalized, but brand doesn't have to be. For example, Adidas, it's lowercase. Domain-specific term-wise, it's word or phrases that are used to describe the ideologies in a particular field or industry. For example, medical, legal, technology, finance, and etc. Terms are not necessary to be capitalized. And a professional ASR solution should allow users to define their own vocabulary. So the question is, how does Whisper do on this key term recognition? It's not very good compared to other high-frequency words. For example, I want to order a cappuccino or something. That's easy to recognize. I try to find the proper noun recognition result of Whisper from the peer-reviewed papers, but I found some of these things are only on Whisper base model, which is very small. And sometimes some even have results on Whisper small. It's because the universities are running out of computational power. And I do not want to share the unverified PR articles of companies here. So we do have plans to systematically evaluate proper noun recognition accuracy of Whisper and other APIs, including our own models. Just keep tuned. Last week I was at NIPS. I was in a oral session. It's about graph neural networks. I found the conference is offering live caption service, closed caption service for people who are not very good in English. And I found there many errors. And here is an example. They recognize the session's name, graph neural networks, as craft neural networks. I found this is very interesting. I shared it with you. I guess many guys who attended NIPS would have the same thought as me. They found many key terms or proper noun recognition error. OpenAI suggests that people who use their service try prompting. Okay, how does it do? They even wrote a prompt guide for their Whisper model or Whisper API. Basically, they're just using the fictitious prompt. It's not ASR output to steer the model output. And I have to say that their guide is written not in a very clear way. I try to summarize this for you. The first thing, transcription generation, what they're trying to do is they try to use GPT to synthesize something and use that as a ASR history. So the ASR knows some context, okay? The second thing is called spelling guide. They're trying to provide a vocabulary to Whisper. So they hope the Whisper can take in the vocabulary and output the right proper nouns or the specific terms. But even according to OpenAI, they're saying that these techniques are not especially reliable. how unreliable is that? They didn't mention that. And they can be useful in some situation. What situations? So I think, Olewave think evaluation is always needed, because without evaluation, you lost your direction. And once you lost your direction, it's very dangerous. They also talk about, they want to show a comparison of whisper prompting versus GPT prompting. Just to mention that, okay, this is not exactly the same as GPT prompting. Whisper only takes your prompt as a ASR history. It doesn't smartly understand what you're talking about. The second thing is the prompt length is limited. If you fed something that's longer than 224, they would only take the last 224 tokens, which is not as the GPT prompting. You can take a very, very long prompt, okay? This also makes to define your own vocabulary very difficult. You may be able to correctify 1 or 2 names or 1 or 2 brand names, but let me ask you, suppose a legal firm is coming to you and asking you to allow themselves to define a vocabulary list of 2,000 phrases, not just words. And that's going to be at least about 10,000 tokens. How do you put into Whisper? Okay, this is why you need to customize your own in-house ASR. You can definitely start with Whisper. You can check the second part of our tutorial, which is ROI analysis. We highly recommend you to start off with Whisper model. There are many solutions. The 2 main ones are, first, that you can do it yourself, but don't forget to evaluate your model, like I mentioned. And if you need our service, just contact us. You can use our cost-effective, predictable dataset for your training and evaluation. And also, we will dive deep into the algorithm in the next sessions. And I have done something. So there's a recording. It's called Contextual, Listen, Attend, and Spell. This is Google's paper on defining your own vocabulary, okay? And you can scan the QR code and you can watch the recording I've recorded. The second solution is that you can ask us to build a customized solution for you. And the good thing is that we not only give you the model and everything, but we also teach you how to update and maintain the model in the future. Suppose you have a new vocabulary to define and new data to fine-tune. We have been delivering voice AI solutions since 2015, and we also provide technical consulting. And this is what we offer. We offer datasets for training and evaluating domain-specific and the contextual biased whisper models. And we also offer model licensing. This customized model can support your customized vocabulary or define your own vocabulary. The third thing is we can allow you to evaluate, we can help you to evaluate the accuracy of your proper nouns and the terms before you hand this to your clients, okay? And we offer a thorough service of building an on-premise solution. It means that with our solution, your own voice data never goes out of your own data center. Okay? It does not go up to OpenAI server. It doesn't go up to Microsoft server. It doesn't go onto AWS. Your data stay on your data center. We can even make that solution running only on your laptop or personal computer. It never goes out of your office. We can do this, okay? Okay, that's it. Thank you so much for staying with us. Please don't forget to hit subscribe our channel if you like our videos. And this is probably the last video I made this year. And thank you for being with us. It's really my pleasure to be helpful to many guys. They send a message on LinkedIn to me. Hey, Wei, you're helping me. You helped me to understand some basic concept of a speech. I'm very glad. I wish everybody success. I wish everybody have a wonderful holiday, and I will see you in 2025.